Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Generation 3 Mini Split. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an EH03 and EC07 error code. Let's get started. An EH03 or EC07 error will display when the indoor or outdoor fan speed is too low or too high for certain time. When this occurs, the unit will stop. To start, power off the unit and restart it 2 minutes later. If the error code still shows, then shut off the power supply and rotate the fan by hand. Next, check the wiring of the fan motor and measure if the fan motor voltage from the PCB is within normal parameters, which are 14 to 18 volts. Use your multimeter and proms to measure the DC voltage on the DC motor driver. First, measure across the 3 and 4 prongs, which are black and white, to see if you are in normal parameters. Then measure across the 3 and 5 prongs, which are black and yellow. The reading should be between 0 and 5.6 volts DC. If it isn't within normal parameters, then replace the main PCB. If it is, then replace the DC motor driver board and fan motor. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.